Hey and welcome to this video. My name is Johannes, and in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Rollbit coin, including a tutorial on how to deposit RLB to your account and stake RLB in the lottery. First off, if you don't have an account on Rollbit, you can find the link below in the description where you can get started for free. And in order to buy the Rollbit coin, you're going to need some funds on the Solana network. So you're going to need a wallet. I will be using the Phantom wallet. So make sure you install the Phantom wallet or whatever Solana wallet you want. I think I have a tutorial on how to install it. I also have a tutorial how you can send Solana tokens to the Solana network. So I will leave links below in the description to these videos. Now, as you can see right here, I have about $26 in my Phantom wallet. So I will jump right into how you can buy the Rollbit coin on Radium exchange. So I will leave a link below in the description to this page, which is radium.io. I will connect my wallet. I will select Phantom. And if it's your first time on Radium, you will probably have to approve access in your Phantom wallet. And first off, you can see from and you can see to. So in this case, it's on RLB. I will click on the RLB and I will type in Solana. Now I'll click on Sol. And then I will switch the two from USDC into the RLB coin right here. And you can see confirm token. This token doesn't appear on the default token list. Confirm this is the token that you want to trade. So obviously make sure that this is the correct token, so it's not a scam token. I'll just click on confirm because I know it's the correct one. And now I can type in the amount of Solana tokens I want to buy the RLB coin for by approximately $5 worth of RLB. That will cost me 0.2 Solana tokens, and I will receive almost 79 RLB coins. So I'm happy with this. I will just click on swap and I will have to approve the transaction. So you can see send 0.2 Sol, receive almost 79 RLB, and it's a very small network fee, so the transaction will basically not cost me anything. So I'll click on approve. And now we can see confirming transactions, so I will just have to wait for a few seconds, and the swap has been confirmed. So now you can see my balance is 78.96 RLB coins. I will go into my Phantom wallet as well. And now you can see the Rollbit coin right here. So now I have purchased and own some Rollbit coins. Now the next step is to deposit the Rollbit coin into my account on Rollbit. So as I said, if you don't have an account, you can sign up from the link below and then you can get logged in. As you can see, I'm logged in right here and I will click on cashier. And then you can see deposit options. So obviously there are lots of different deposit options if you don't want to deposit the Rollbit coin, but I will click on Rollbit coin right here. Now we can see send the amount of Rollbit coin of your choice to the following address to be credited to your Rollbit coin balance on site. Only deposit over the Sol network. Do not use BNB or BSC networks. So this is very important, obviously. I'm not sure if you can buy Rollbit coin on any other network right now when I'm recording this. But as you have seen in this tutorial, I have used the Sol network and I have some Rollbit coins on the Sol network. So I will just go ahead and you can see your personal Rollbit coin deposit address. So I will just click on copy address right here. So now it's copied. I will go back to my Phantom wallet, and inside my Phantom wallet, I will click on my Rollbit coin. And now we can see deposit and send. So I will click on send. And now we can see recipient's RLB address, and I will just paste in the address that I copied from Rollbit. And I will use my entire balance and max amount of RLB coins from my Phantom wallet. You can see the estimated value right here. I will click on next. You can double check so the address is the correct one that you copied from Rollbit. You can see the network fee. I will just click on send. Your tokens were successfully sent. I will just click on close. I will wait a few seconds and then my amount of RLB coins should disappear right here in my Phantom wallet. Meanwhile, when you're waiting, you can click on view transactions and then it will get updated inside deposits under your account when the RLB deposit has been completed. And now you can also see 78.96 RLB was deposited into your account, and now my amount is available right up here. I can also update this page and click on RLB, and then you can see the transaction right here. And in the next step, I will show you how to stake your RLB coins in the RLB lottery. So you can find the lottery right here, and then you can see stake your RLB for a chance to win the lottery. I will click on max right here because I want to stake my entire amount of RLB coins. And I will just click on set stake. And now we can see your stake is 78.96 RLB. You can also see other steps right here, how to multiply. Obviously read this through if you want. You can also create a team or join a team. I'm not sure how all of this works, to be honest. I just found out about Rollbit recently, and I think it's a very degenerate site. But right now I'm in the lottery, so I have a chance to win. So anyways, that's how you buy the Rollbit coin, and also how to deposit the RLB coin into your Rollbit account, and also how to stake the RLB coin inside the RLB lottery. So hopefully you found value in this video. Feel free to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency and DeFi tutorials. I want to thank you for watching. Have a nice day and goodbye.